Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. In this video I am going to show you how you can use skeleton loading in React.js. So first thing is we need to use this particular package here. So React Content Loader. You have to go within a React app in the command line and enter this particular command and install the particular package. Okay. So I have already installed the package, so I am just going to use npm start and run my React app. So now I'll go back to my project, and here within the src folder I'll create another folder called components, and within the components I'll create another folder called loaders, and here I will create a new product loader.js. So basically I'm going to take an example of a shopping where all the where the products are listed in vertical manner in the center. So here inside this I have to create a functional component. Okay. So this is basically a product loader. So basically it just shows the template of product as loading. So now we need to select a template. So if you want to select a template, there are pre-made templates available in this website called skeletonreact.com. So you can use it from here. So these kind of templates are available here. So you can just use this content loader in your application. So in our current example, I'm going to use example of a YouTube loader. So like YouTube Fresh, this kind of example. So for that you have to go to view source. Just import this content loader. And just copy this content loader and add this, and it just return the HTML. Return the component. So here what we need is, so now I'll go to my app.js and I'll import that particular loader. Okay, so product loader. Okay. So if I open my React app, so you should be able to see that this kind of loading option is displaying now. Okay, so now what we'll do is we'll just we'll make it to a center. Okay, so for that, within this particular app.js, so I'm going to add some CSS here. So first thing is I'll use the class styles. The next thing is just use I need a heading. Just give a short. Okay, so now below this I will create a product items container. And I'll just add product loader within this. Okay. So we haven't created this styles. We need to create that now. Okay, so I'll just import this. Import styles from components / app.module.css. Okay. Or you can simply use app. So you need to convert this .css to CSS modules. Okay, so after this, I will declare CSS classes here. Then for product items container, I will keep width as 400 pixel, and then I want margin auto. Okay, so this is what we need. So go back and check. So now it's enter. So sometimes we want to load multiple of this product loads. Like for example, if I use multiple of this, so it shows multiple. Loaders like this. Okay, so this is what we want to load. So now here what I'll do is I'll declare a state here. Okay, the next thing what we'll do is, so when this particular component is loaded, I will do a fetch. I'll do a fetch request to Page Store API. Okay, so here I will create a use effect. So this and within this I'll create a method called init. So now yes. Store api.com/. So you can use you can this fake store API basically used to get the fake data, JSON data. If you use products, then it will return you the products with the images of the products also. I will get the JSON and again save it to res variable. Then I will set the data in the set products use state. So till here it is done. So now what we want is, so now coming back to the product loader. So instead of doing this multiple times, I want to pass a prop here. Okay, for like count. Okay, so I want to pass this prop. This prop will show how many items to display. Okay, so basically I want to display 5. So now I'll go back to my product loader, and here I will create a variable count. I'll check if the props count is given or not. If it is given, I'll just convert it to int. If it is not given, then I'll simply return 1. Okay, so now the next thing what we can do is, this thing we can use here. We can loop through this particular content loader. Okay, so for that I'll create a for loop. Okay, so by using this count. Okay, you can do this by like this, by passing the count here. So this will create an array. So each item it will have, if for example here is 5, so there will be 5 items in the array. The value will be undefined actually. Okay, now I'll do map item index. Then I will return the content loader. Here I need to pass key also, okay, or else I may see the error in the console. So after doing this, I'll go back to app.js. Here what we'll do is, before this gets fetched, we will be showing this product loader, the skeleton. Okay, so for that we need to do a condition here. So if products length is there, else I will just return this content loader. Okay, and just add it here. So at the top we will loop over each of the products. Then I will return a new component called product card. So this I haven't created. I will create it. I have to create this now. I'll pass the key and also I'll pass the this product. Okay. So I want so I'll create this product inside the components folder. Product card.js. So within this product card, I can just deconstruct it here only. Product and other props. Okay. This is what I mean. So now here I'll create a class and styles. This has a product card. So then we'll be within this. We'll be creating another div. So basically, which is a so this will be basically the header. Okay. So now header is then inside the header we will create two div tabs, two div. So which is a card image wrapper where image. So within this particular image will be there. Okay. So I'll just add image tag src. So product dot image. Okay, I'll just give a class name to this as product card image. The alt will be empty for now, or else what you can do is you can just give it as a product title. Okay. So this is done. So below this I will create another div. It's a p tag. So just give a name as product card title, and within this I'll just display the product dot title. Okay. So after this, here below the card header, so I'll create a card body. Give class name body. So within the body, I'll just show the image of the product. Then I'll just give class name as the product card body image. Okay. So now we need to actually add the styles here. So I'll just import the styles. Import styles, and that I can do as from components slash product card.module.css. So now I need to create this CSS file. within the components folder. Okay. So now within the products card, this is within this products card CSS, I will create classes. So the product card will have border 1 pixel, solid, and the next thing it will have a margin. So the margin of top and bottom will be 5 pixel and the sides will be 0. Then we need product card. So there is image wrapper for the image. So image wrapper I can use because there are so here I want to make it as a center. Okay, so this image wrapper. So for that I'll just say I'll use flex, and here I'll align items center. So now for that image, within product image wrapper card image, I can give a width of around 50 pixel and height around 50 pixel. Then about border radius around 50%. Then a border of 3 pixel solid. Okay. So next thing we need also for the body image, right? So product card body image. So for that I'll give width as 100%. Then height as I'll make it smaller, like 150 pixel. And we also I'll just set the object width so that it doesn't look stretched. And 10. Okay, so that it maintains the aspect ratio. Then I will also for the headers. So I use display flex. Okay, then so I'll just give the border bottom instead of border all sides. Okay. So then I will also give as padding as 3px top bottom and 5px sides. Okay, after this we also need this card body. So I'll just padding. So the padding will be 10 pixel and 5 pixel sides. So after this within the product, also within this so we have specified all the things, all the important things here. We just need to also specify the product card title here. We haven't specified it. So I shall specify margin as 0. Okay, so I'll save this. I'll go back to my app.js. I have to import this component now. Okay, I can manually import it. Import a product card from Let's see what's the issue here. Okay, I need to add another dot here, instruction. So you can see the products is loading, skeleton is loading now. So we will be soon able to see the products to be loaded. Okay, so I'll show you again now. So the component is loaded, so this kind of skeleton is loaded here. So when the data is fetched, it will automatically remove the skeleton and display the data there. So basically this is more intuitive or UI friendly compared to the other loading icon you use. Okay, so this is better suited for more modern UIs. So thank you guys, this was all about React skeleton loading. So if you like my video, do subscribe to my channel. Thank you.